Want to create stunning AI images like this in seconds? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to generate amazing images using Midjourney, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll be able to turn simple text into professional images like logos, thumbnails, and even viral content. Step 1. Create a Discord account. To use Midjourney, you need a Discord account. Go to Discord.com. Sign up with your email. Verify your account. Once done, you're ready for the next step. Join Midjourney's server. Now go to Midjourney.com and click Join the Beta. This will take you to the Discord server where everything happens. Step 3. Generate your first AI image. Inside the server, go to any newbie's channel. Now type this command. /imagine prompt. A futuristic city at sunset, ultra-realistic. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. Step 4. Understand the results. You'll see 4 images generated. Below them you'll see U1, U2, U3. U4 right arrow upscale, make image high quality. V1, V2, V3, V4 right arrow variations, create similar images. Click any option to refine your image. Step 5. Improve your prompts. To get better results, use detailed prompts like a cinematic portrait of a young man, 4K, ultra-realistic studio lighting. The more details you add, the better your image will look. You can also add styles like 4K, realistic, cinematic lighting, anime style. This makes your images look more professional. You can even use Midjourney to create thumbnails, sell AI art, start a print-on-demand business. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And comment below if you want a video on how to make money with AI.